Hi guys, how you doing? I do hope this finds you well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheba and I'm really glad that you passed by. Please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can acquire a PDF or a PDF of a book that you don't want to buy, or it's just a one-time use and you really don't want to incur the cost of buying it, or maybe the book is not locally available and you have to import it from Amazon or somewhere else and you really want to use it because of its urgency and you're wondering how you can get that. So all you need is internet, a browser and a gadget, either your PC or your phone, and for me I'm using my PC. So the first thing you do is open your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, and once it's open, type pdfdrive.com and press enter. Once the site comes up, search for the book that you want, and let's assume I want this short story, A Story an Hour by Kate Chopin. Okay. So once you type that, the site filters through its catalog so that you can get, or so that it can give you a match of the book that you want, either the exact match if it's available or just something close to what that you want. You can filter in what you want, either the exact match. Let's say you want the exact match so that it gives me exactly what I want. If you know the page numbers, you can do that, the year of publication, and also the language in case it's not in English. So once your book comes up, for me this is what I want, so I'll click on that. And then you can either preview. Actually, it's good to preview so that you make sure that you're getting the right thing. And yes, this is the story by Kate Chopin. I guess it also includes other stories, but I'm only interested in the first one. And once you're sure that is what you want, you close it up and then just click on the download button. Okay, and then go to PDF. You see, it actually opens the exact thing that I wanted, and you're good to go. You can read it, you can download it, you can save it in your PC or phone so that you can read later. But a disclaimer is that it's not all books that are available here. Some authors choose to strictly ensure that the only way you can get their books is to buy or subscribe to a premium option so that you can access the book. So it's only the books that the author or the authors have made free or available are the ones that you can access. You can also sign up for the premium option so that you can get other exclusive services and experiences that you need. But for me, this works for me for the books that I need so that I can either read or do research or just for academic purposes. And I do hope this was helpful to you, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next video.